Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be showing you how to get this wavy hair using no heat. I just braid it and I show you kind of how I get it because as you can see, these are kind of curls. So yeah, I just didn't use any heat, and all I pretty much use for product is this Paul Mitchell super skinny serum, and that's just about it. Here's a tutorial. So since I can't really French braid, what I do is I kind of take little sections of my hair. I do it with my side part, and I start off with a little section, and I twist it, and then I just add more sections to it. Kind of like French braiding, but I just haven't grasped that concept yet. And I take little sections and I make sure it's really tight. Taking it from the front of my head and then kind of behind the twist too. And I just keep going. So once I have this, I'm gonna kind of just eyeball my part, and I'm just doing it down the middle. And then once I have this, I use this as one section. So then I take this and 2 and 3. Now you just braid. So now you have one side done. Now this side is very stubborn because as you can see, my hair, like right here it's curly and then right here it's really not. So what I do is I kind of French braid this side. I attempt it. So take a little section. And then I just add to it. Knowing me, I probably do this wrong. So and then I can take, if I really want to, I can take like a big section like that and kind of make that one as a section. Then I divide this into 2. And so I just wait a good 5 to 6 hours. You can do this for nighttime. You can do this if you're just gonna not be doing anything and you're going out at night, whatever. It still works. I'm just gonna be laying by the pool. So yeah, I'm gonna take it out in a couple hours and I'll be back. So this is the final product. I just took the braids out and now I'm going to add Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I just do not even like a full pump and rub it together and kind of just run it through, but scrunch it on like my ends and whatnot. Obviously I'm not going to leave my hair that big, but and then you can always add more. But if you do use a serum like this, I wouldn't use a lot, because you don't want your hair to look super greasy. And you can either leave it like that, easy way to get full body, and like as you can see, my hair is very thick, and this is pretty much what my hair would look like if I didn't damage it so much. So this is pretty much what my natural hair would look like. So you can either just tie one side back, or you can just clip both sides back, or do it with an elastic or ponytail holder, whatever you prefer to call it. You can tie it back, you can kind of just do a little bit, just kind of pin the bangs back. You can do basically whatever you want, whatever way you would prefer to style it. I would just leave it like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching.